starting off a beautiful day with me again and Max. Wait, what? Max? Max! Max! Aw, he went home. Gosh, I'm a little sick, but you know what? Good time to go outside, get some fresh air, and also the water is flowing in. And took with me a shovel because the dam will be broken. So I'm gonna fix that. Keep all the water on this side. Try to get as much as possible here. Oh, here he is. Hey Max! Hey! Oh, you're not sick, right? Because you can still run like crazy. Oh. This one fell. Okay. Ooh, Max, watch out. Okay, so it's like soggy all over here. But like it wasn't long ago where this one was like underwater, so there was water here. Like there is ice. It's frozen. Or what do you call it? It's freezed tonight. Last night. I don't know. But like it's not thick at all. Just a thin layer. Okay, let's go over here. Max. Oh. Ooh, the woods. Here we got it. So we're gonna put some of this, because this already came from there. Okay, that water is gonna be dirty, but sure, over there. Maybe like from the sides here, like from here, you can also take something and put it on there. So first of all, let's put you guys down, and I don't know where I can do that. What's a good place to put you guys down? I don't know. Maybe shoveling around here a lot. So I think I'm gonna place you guys on the other side, like here. Woohoo! That's the camera. So I get a flat place somewhere where you guys can stand and watch me, and hope that Max don't run the camera over. So then I'm gonna be a little bit mad. But this needs to be walkable. It is right now, but not that big. Okay. Get rid of these sticks. Max! Max! Go! I think we're gonna just start off with some chunks. Oh, the ground is so solid. Okay. Okay. First thing patched. That needs to be like a thick layer of clay. It is so dirty. Thick layers of clay. Okay, here we go. Oh, I twisted. So, twisted. Get on my shuffle. Oh, get over here. No. Okay, twisted it again. Like, this is like twisty and all, and wobbly. I think there's a tree root over here. It's bad. But yeah, what do you expect? You're in the forest. Okay. Almost no water. Oh, nice to still going wild. There's still ice here. That's also crazy. I have no idea where I can pick up stuff. And where it's just no play, just like trash. Oh, my phone in my pockets. Okay. Holy! It's gonna be a tough piece, this. Let's split it. Whew. Oh, Jesus. Why is the piece like stuck and heavy? Like, holy. Shouldn't be this stuck.